Welcome to 4086 Ermine Lane in Milton, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is over 1,600 square feet, and we are located less than 6 miles to Wal-Mart, Target, and a plethora of dining and shopping options. We are also located 2 miles to the Bagdad boat launch. There are plenty of other boat launch options around as well. That happens to be the closest. And with no HOA here and a double side gate entry, you can feel free to park your boat right on property. We are also less than 2 miles to the I-10 entryway. So wonderful location here. As you can see, we have a 2-car garage with a brick exterior as well as gutters and security cameras. They have done so many wonderful things to this home. There is fresh paint throughout, including all the trim and doors, new vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living area and all the bedrooms. So coming in here, we have a wonderful spacious open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, giving for a nice spacious feel. Just off to our left, we have our garage entry and our pantry. Nice sized formal dining area, which flows nicely into the living room. Into the kitchen, we have really a nice sized breakfast nook here as well. With a breakfast bar, you could easily get seating for 4 up here. The kitchen has wood cabinetry as well as a double electric cooktop, built-in microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, and a wonderful fridge here with the French doors. All the appliances have been upgraded and updated. They're about 3 years old, but really wonderful features in here, especially with that double oven and that French doors on the refrigerator here. So just off the kitchen, I love this floor plan because it's very convenient. We do have the primary suite over here, tray ceilings in the master bedroom, giving for a little bit more of a spacious feel. We also do have blinds throughout this home as well. Into the primary bathroom, we have some wonderful updates in here. New fixtures and hardware. We do have marble countertops with a lovely double vanity, and new flooring in here as well. Shower tub combo for your bathing option, as well as dual walk-in closets, so lots of storage in here. And we have a split floor plan here, so the other 2 bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the house. I love that feature because it gives for just a little bit of privacy for the primary suite over here. Okay. Again, nice new paint color in this house. It's very neutral. I believe it might be agreeable gray. So it's all ready to go. We do have ceiling fans in all the bedrooms as well. So another bonus here. And into our second bathroom, just gorgeous in here. We have a custom tile walk-in shower, as well as, I love when they add this piece of glass because you just don't have to deal with any shower curtains. It's nice and clean lines with a nice sitting bench there. Quartz countertops with new vanity, new mirror, and all hardware as well. We do have 2 shower heads in here. As you can see up above, we have the rain shower, as well as the handheld with the 2 niches built in on each side for storage. And then into our 3rd bedroom on the back side of the house. These 2 bedrooms here are about the same size. They're only an inch off. All right, so now to take you out back, this is one of my favorite features of this house. Such an awesome bonus space to have. So we have a climate-controlled sunroom here with recessed lighting. It is just encompassed in windows. There is a ton of natural light flooding into this room. Just a great bonus space with, you can use it for a playroom or additional TV room for the kids, whatever your needs may be. And we've got, again, the nice French doors that close us off. So just a wonderful feature. And then out into the backyard here, we have a really nice covered patio, really nice size here, with brick inlay surrounding. We do have outdoor speakers here, as well as a TV already mounted. which does convey. It's got a nice little plexiglass cover on it to protect it from the weather. So another great bonus feature. And now into this backyard, we have a fully fenced backyard here with a privacy fence with a little side gate over here. But it is fully fenced on the front side for privacy as well, not just the 3-foot fence there. So lots of shade here. Wonderful mature oaks all throughout this backyard. Just very peaceful back here. And then we have another bonus. So this yard building here has power and water run to it. It also has a 220 line, so you can go ahead and hook up an RV or a camper right back out here. Again, as I said, we have this double side gate entry, so you could just pull your boat and your RV straight back here, right into the backyard, and go ahead and hook up. Great if you got family coming in town, or you just have your own toys that you want to go ahead and store right here on property and not have to pay any storage fees for those things. So great yard building. You've got the roll-up metal door here. As you can see, they have a riding lawnmower in here. Very spacious. Definitely an awesome bonus to have with some additional storage space. Definitely a bonus. All right. Let me take you back inside. I'll give you another peek at the kitchen and the main living area here. But again, look at these oaks. They are just gorgeous. It is a beautiful day out here as well. So again, you have very closely 3 boat ramps. Again, the Bagdad one being the closest. It also does have put-ins where you can easily get your kayaks or paddle boards in and out of the water right there with the pier. So just another bonus feature to have there at that boat launch. All right, so this is 4086 Ermine Lane in Milton, Florida. Please let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it or you'd like to set up a private showing. This is a gorgeous house. Again, new paint throughout, and as well as many upgrades and new vinyl plank flooring throughout.